In this video series, I'm going to show you how you can convert an HTML-based site into a WordPress site. Now, the reason you would want to do that is because WordPress offers a lot of advantages over simple HTML. Your HTML site might be well made, however, it is static, so it's hard to make changes to it. Also, with WordPress, you get advanced security features that keep on getting updated, and it's easy to add other functionality to it using plugins. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a WordPress site, and we're going to emulate a sales page that I have. Now, I'm using a sales page because I happen to have one handy, but the same process would work for any site. You would just take each page and create a WordPress page and then add the content inside it. Okay, so here's what the site looks like that we are going to convert. Okay, so this is a simple sales page, and when we're done, we're going to have something that looks similar to this, almost exactly the same. There will be some differences, but we will get a site that looks pretty much like this. Okay, so in the next video, what we're going to do is we're going to be installing WordPress. That's all we're going to do in the next video. So if you already know how to install WordPress, you can go straight to video 3.